What if I told you that the creature you fear the most could be the one you need the most? Today, we're exploring the world of spiders, those eight-legged beings that often send shivers down our spines. Many of us react with fear at the mere sight of a spider, yet there's so much more to these fascinating creatures than meets the eye. We'll delve into the various types of spiders, their crucial roles in our ecosystems, and how we can coexist safely with them. So, before you squish that spider, let's understand why they might just be your next best friend. Did you know there are around 40,000 species of spiders crawling around the globe? These fascinating creatures come in an astonishing array of sizes, colors, and habitats, making them one of the most diverse inhabitants of our planet. From the tiny specks that might be lurking in a dusty corner of your home, to the grand architects of silk weaving their art in gardens, each spider holds a unique place in the natural world. Consider the common house spider, often spotted in the quiet corners of our living spaces. It's generally harmless and quite the skilled pest controller. Then there's the garden orb weaver, a true artist creating intricate webs that glisten with morning dew, capturing not just our attention but pesky insects too. And of course, the infamous black widow, known for its distinctive red hourglass marking. Though it's venomous, encounters with humans are rare and typically non-fatal with proper medical care. With such diversity, it's important to know which spiders are harmless and which could pose a threat. Why do we fear spiders so much? Perhaps it's woven into our DNA, a primal instinct from our ancestors alerting us to potential danger. Or maybe it's the way spiders are often portrayed in tales and media as menacing figures. Yet it's essential to recognize that out of the myriad of spider species, only a minuscule fraction are actually harmful to humans. Most encounters with spiders are completely harmless. Knowing the facts can help reduce our fears and misconceptions about these fascinating creatures. Every hero needs a superpower, and for many spiders, it's their ecological role. These eight-legged engineers are masters at maintaining the balance in various ecosystems. One of their most notable superpowers? Pest control. Spiders consume an enormous amount of insects, including those that harm crops and spread diseases like malaria and Zika virus. It's estimated that spiders devour between 400 million and 800 million tons of insects every year. Imagine the outbreaks of pests and the impact on our food supply without these arachnids. Spiders also play a vital role in the food web. They serve as a crucial food source for many small mammals, birds, and even other spiders. This intricate balance keeps our natural world functioning smoothly. By controlling insect populations, spiders not only protect our agricultural fields, but also reduce the need for chemical pesticides, which can have harmful environmental effects. So the next time you spot a spider, remember its heroic deeds. Without spiders, we might be overrun with pests. Scene script: encountered a spider in your home? Here's what you can do. Firstly, don't panic. Most spiders you find at home are harmless and can be left alone. They're likely just passing through, searching for food or shelter. If you're concerned about the presence of a spider, the first step is to identify it. You can find many resources online to help determine whether a spider is harmful. Remember, the vast majority are innocuous and uninterested in biting humans. If you decide the spider needs to be moved, choose a humane method. Gently coax the spider onto a piece of paper or into a jar and carefully carry it outside. This method avoids harm to both you and the spider. In the rare case you are bitten, remain calm. Wash the bite with soap and water and apply a cold pack to reduce swelling. If you suspect the spider might be venomous, capture it safely for identification and seek medical advice promptly. With the right knowledge, you can coexist peacefully with these misunderstood allies. Let's bust some common spider myths and spin a web of truth. One of the most hair-raising myths is that spiders climb into our beds with the sinister intent to bite us while we sleep. In reality, spiders prefer environments that are undisturbed and less populated by large, moving creatures like humans. The idea of them actively seeking us out in our sleep is more fiction than fact. Another widespread belief is that all spiders are out to get us, with aggressive tendencies towards humans. However, most spiders are actually quite passive and prefer to escape rather than attack. Their venom is primarily designed for subduing their insect prey, not for human interaction. It's also commonly thought that spider bites are deadly. While it's true that some spiders possess venom capable of harming humans, the instances of spider-related fatalities are exceptionally rare. Most spider bites result in mild symptoms, if any, and serious consequences are incredibly uncommon. Armed with truth, our fear can turn into fascination. As we wrap up, let's reconsider our eight-legged roommates. Throughout this exploration, we've unveiled that spiders, often seen as frightening, are actually vital components of our ecosystem. Remember, the vast majority of these creatures are harmless and are more interested in snacking on pests than bothering humans. They contribute significantly to controlling insect populations, making them unsung heroes in our daily lives. Next time you meet a spider, remember, it's likely just passing by, doing its part for nature. Let's appreciate and respect these incredible arachnids.